Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you all guys know me, I am Keerthana K is currently pursuing my BE at Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Today I'll be discussing about the subject called Introduction to Python Programming, particularly about the topic called Data Types in Python, Python Functions, Exception Handling, and Code Guess the Number, which has been guided by Murugan. Before going to our main topic, now let us discuss about introduction to data types. Data types in programming define the type of data a variable can hold. Common data types include integers, floats, strings, and booleans. Understanding data types is essential for effective programming. Our next topic is numeric data types. Integers represent whole numbers without decimals. Floats or floating point numbers include decimal points. Complex numbers are used for mathematical calculations involving imaginary numbers. This is the pictorial representation of numeric data type. First, natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, and rational and irrational numbers. String data type. Strings are sequence of characters enclosed in single or double quotes. Manipulating strings involves operations like concatenation and slicing. Strings are commonly used for text processing in programming. This is the program for string data type. First, the function len will return the length of a string. Length spam. Here spam is function given to the parameter. For ch in spam, we'll print ch which is equal to end with double quoted marks. Spam is equal to cursor stays here after last space. Note the spaces between letters is default separator. To specify a different separator, use separator is equal to string. For ch in spam, we'll print ch which is equal to separator, then it will print spam. Now let's move on to our next topic called Boolean data type. Booleans represent true or false values. Booleans are often used in conditional statements for decision making. Logical operators like and, or, and not are commonly used with booleans. This is the pictorial representation of logical operator reference of and, or, and not. Now let's move on to our next topic called list data type. Lists are ordered collections of items which are separated by commas and enclosed by square brackets. Lists are ordered and mutable. Lists can be defined with different data types. List operations include indexing, slicing, appending, extending, etc. Function definition. A function is a block of reusable code that performs a specific task. Functions can take input arguments, process them, and return the output. Functions help in organizing code, promoting reusability, and enhancing the readability. Here, int is a data type of return value, and add is a function name. Int a, int b are the function arguments. Whole int add int a, int b is the function header. Here, int sum is equals to a plus b will return sum. Return sum and means will return the value. Int sum is equal to a plus b and return sum is a function body. Now let's move on to the next topic called functions. Functions can accept one or more arguments passed during function call. Arguments provide input data for the function to work on. Parameters are placeholders for arguments in the function definition. Function is classified into two types, function with argument and function without argument. Now first we'll discuss about function with argument. It is declared and defined with parameter list. The values for parameter passed during call. For example, we'll declare a function called int sum int x, int y. Then we'll call that function as sum of 10, 20. Function without arguments. Here there is no parameters are included and no value is passed during the function call. For example, we'll declare a function called inDisplay and we'll call the function as display the above function. Functions without arguments. Functions can be defined without any input parameters. Such functions operate independently of external input. They are useful for tasks that don't require any external data. Now let's move on to the next topic called exception handling. Exceptional handling is a mechanism to handle errors or exceptional situations in code. Try-except blocks are used to catch and handle exceptions. Proper exception handlings improves the robustness and reliability of the code. Types of errors. First one is syntax error. A syntax error occurs when the interpreter is unable to phrase a code, violating Python language rules, such as inappropriate indentation. For example, x is equal to 10. If x is equal to 10, will print x is 10. Second one is runtime error, also known as exceptions, are the result of something going wrong while your code is running. For example, define calculate sum a comma b. Total is equal to a plus b. We'll return the total. If x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 10, z is equal to will calculate sum of x comma y. Print z. Our output will be 15. Type error. Type error is raised when operation or function is applied to an object of an inappropriate type. For example, x is equal to 10, y is equal to 5. Z is equal to x plus y. We'll print z. Then our output is 15. Next one is index error. Index error is raised in Python when we try to access an index of a sequence, such as a string, list, or tuple that is out of range. For example, my list is equal to 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, which are enclosed in square brackets. We'll print my list of 5. Then our output will be 500. Now I want to create a Python program to guess a number. First, I'll import random and I'll define the guess number. Generate a random number between 1 and 100. Secret number is equal to random dot randit 1 comma 100. Print welcome to the guessing number. I welcome you to the guessing game. Print I have selected a number between 1 and 100. Can you guess it? This line says the number between 1 and 100. I selected a number. If you can guess it. Here we'll use while, if, break, flow control statements. While true, ask the user to guess the number. Guess is equal to, here integer is used. Guess is equal to int of input, enter your guess. Check if the guess number is correct or wrong. If guess is equal to secret number, print, congratulations, your guess number is correct. Break. Elif guess less than secret number, print too low, the guessing a higher number. Else, print too high, try guessing a lower number. This line says, I have guessed lower number or higher number. I want to select or guess appropriate number. If name is equal to main, guess number. Here is the output you can expect when running provided program. Welcome to the guessing game. I have selected a number between 1 and 100. Can you guess it? Enter your guess. So I'll enter 50. Too low. Try guessing a higher number. Now I'll enter my guess as 75. Too high. Try guessing a lower number. Enter your guess 60. Too low. Try guessing a higher number. Then again I'll enter 70. It shows too high. Try guessing a lower number. Then I'll enter my guess as 65. Too high. Try guessing a lower number. Then I'll guess 63. Congratulations, you guessed the number correctly. This output demonstrates a sample interaction where the user is prompted to guess the number and give feedback about whether their guess is too high or too low and ultimately guess the correct number. Conclusion. Data types and functions are fundamental concepts in programming. Understanding data types helps in efficient data manipulation and storage. Exception handling ensures graceful error recovery and enhanced code reliability. Note: this slide presentation gives a brief overview of data types, functions, and exceptional handling in programming. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please do like, share, and subscribe.